Sanibonani Sandumelani. This your boy Phuli Mathibe phela known as Kelvin Dona Semkonti but khona le Kenz Mkenza akashawa akathethizwa. Welcome to our show Shibo Magazine. Silight hoodies sirelaxile. Yabona sisibambe nangimpondo but Red Bull gives you wings. So yeah. So today we'll be talking about group stages, surprises, disappointment, underdogs, and how the coaches approach the game. So we'll start with the group stages and how actually the games went and how the players approached this tournament. So bafethu ngicabangani ke ngama group stages we can just sum it up singasibheki group A, group B, group 1 by just to save some time.
I think mina ama-team ama-country wonke aqale yabo khona vele izinja abo-Messi siqale vele on a high sisase on a high namanje yabo mara ama-country abhayi aqale slowly mara i-World Cup kanjalo uma ungabheka nje vele bheka le winile i-Argentina last time ilose first game angithola but yayiwina so yeah bacale kanjalo namanye ama-goats acale nge-drone yeah then bababambela ke ngibone bababambele ke izolo ke maka no ku-knockout is a different ball game
So kahle yajenda le ama-goal.
hey amanye ama-goats esingawazi mina ngazi i-goat eyi-one mara kunamanye hayi sheep
Ngiyabuza.
kune-goat ne-sheep mina ngibonile i-goats uyayibona i-goats it's carrying the team man angena uyakora wenzani yi-goat le abanye hayi
Oh, so by the way ungene wakora wasave team ngoba beyidliwa or team besalida
abonisa ukuthi I'm the man of this house.
So basically ungene why cherry on top on a team that was performing well.
Ukubonisa ukuthi I am the man. I am the
hayi
goat.
ukuthi maybe team besafara like besishota ngama-goal or sishota nge-combination.
I-goats bona mayingena kumele icacisele.
Okay,
Okay.
Let's stick to the script. Let's stick to the script.
Amafini kaChristiano
Okay.
Ronaldo.
Naye yokuqala yikho ulibele ibuza ukuthi no bestruggle na or besishota ngawe awuthi yami.
Going back to ama group stages. Ama team athope group surprises on each and every group. Were there any surprises? Yeah, of course there were.
Oh man, a heavy surprise. Yabona Cape Verde. Those guys are not just happy to be there. They are there to compete.
Enjoying the comeback.
Yes. And it's their first World Cup.
Yeah.
And these guys, our fan my team now. Oh no, we went to the World Cup. I'm a team way to actually Mali, I'm a group stages. Those guys are actually there to and Pegabazo Pegana na goat.
So it's
Buffett. 0 losses just like Argentina.
Yeah.
Nabo bayobhekana naye.
0 losses. Ungayibeki ngazuthi manje balobele bayawina. It's 0 losses.
Yeah, 0 losses.
3 draws.
3 draws.
Or angithi 0 losses.
Yeah.
Or it's 1 win.
1 win, 2 draws. Yeah.
Yeah, ibeke kanjalo. Mawuthi phela 0 losses.
Mara
Argentina wine wonke amagame.
Okay.
Yeah.
And I'm favor Argentina, favor South Africa.
Siyacabanga ukuthi idiski bafethu. Idiski.
Sure.
Yeah, ngithola. Siyangena pitching expectile ama odds are favor enye team.
Bese kube
maqeda kushintshe kube kanje. And ngiyabona wena kule la ukhona chances are very slim for you to accept ukuthi anything can happen there. Kule game eCape Verde neArgentina.
My brother, nothing can happen.
Yeah, you see,
the coach will be there and show you who I am the coach.
Yeah, and some other code maybe that's growing in the team there, Cape Verde.
Going back to that in Cape Verde, you know, when the first game in Spain,
yeah,
you saw how they played.
Yeah,
you saw how they played their first game.
Yeah,
they didn't attack. They were there to defend Spain or to score.
Was it the same game plan they did first game?
That's not for South Africa. The minute we played our game, that's when we showed up.
Okay,
But
well,
I'm telling you,
welcome to South Africa.
Shame
Because South
5-3-2
Africa is going to be a
namhlanje
long,
vele
long,
kumhlophe.
long, 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 long thingy. So yeah, first top two teams who kulama group stages. Ama-team ukuthi vele 100% were supposed to qualify, or ama-team ukuthi vele some of them they fought very hard for them to get that position. Or some of them it was just the give and take situation. Last year with the match officials, they just
And Vanna, some of them fought. But I mean, that's the thing. They go strategy.
yeah.
Begin no way. They
Yeah.
won and
Two
won.
games.
And the last game, we went
Yeah,
like
rest
France.
of my play.
They so good. We already qualified.
Let's rest ama play.
But the rest won't come up play. So I won't go see. Calculate. Maybe now we will calculate.
I was actually coming
Let's
there.
win 2 games.
Yeah, I was actually coming there.
Then France, let's go spaghetti pressure. Those are coaches who know how to play.
Yeah, that's what I was. That's where I was
Not
going.
Hugo
Ukuthi,
Bros.
Hayi bo.
even Nangabo
Ngapha
coach
uMatala.
approaching it.
Ah,
Even
that's
Matala was.
Hugo Bros.
Even Matala maybe.
Matala
But we
vele
play.
play
We
for-
play.
for
Ukuthi nje,
points, it will
it didn't pan out. It didn't pan out.
First
Oh,
game,
no,
bekumelanga
uthi
six
ubatla
matches.
points.
Come on,
Ariha, you better 4 points. Ke ntho e ke tjhong gore nana le plan.
Eh, ke yona play.
a re ka dlala le Mexico kono ka se tlo etsa.
Oh, ka sure. But never saw that. Yeah, but the thing is, I
O
can't.
tshwanetse re itlase ka se ya
Bobo,
bona.
ke first match. Matala doesn't know what to expect. Yes, we've been analyzing our game, but now let me approach the game the way I think or the way I see fit. You understand? So that's how it was. So now ubonile phela uMatala kahle kahle uvuke ngegame yesi-3. Ukuya ngami.
Ah, let's do second.
Ah,
game.
not ukuya ngami, my
Okay.
opinion. You understand? Because the game last 2 years, it was a give and take situation. He was forced to make changes because of two red cards, right? Then we approached the third game with the players that were supposed to start from the beginning.
Okay, let me ask this question. If we won the first game, information based on second game.
As us. Maybe he was
Ah,
gonna
let's just
maybe
think.
he was gonna use the very same
The same
information because he
information,
won using it.
Ne?
Yeah, maybe.
Swin second game.
Yeah.
Illustrate because wenzani? Same.
We don't know.
Information.
Angithi?
Yeah, maybe.
Mara it's obvious.
That's why I get maybe.
Amawinile uyazi
Amawinile
mawudlala for
ubuyisela
futhi
loyo team.
uyeke
Yes,
yeah
that's
uyabuyisela. So yabona ukuthi ngizokhabatha ama player bhayi
In what sense?
ba recognize. Ubone recognize ama player engekho bafana bafana.
I'm well aware.
Uya utholile team.
Hence we said, yeah.
Uyaya akakatholi team.
Ubani?
Uyaya akakatholi team.
Yeah, as I was saying,
Akakatholi makhol.
Hugo approached the game the way he saw fit, and unfortunately, Lento Bega anticipated las Panang. Then he was supposed to change, and it was forced changes. Good game, two games too. You understand? Last us want to keep going back. If it wasn't for those two changes, do you think Uguti, those two players would have sat down or came back to the second game? Labathola America.
Habe bazobuya man.
Bezoyishintsha igame yethu positively or negatively, we don't know.
Yeah, we can only assume mara mina assumption yami ukuthi bewaziqanda icheke South Korea bezosiqanda nge5-3-2.
Ah, bongeka dlalele
Shaya ntanga bewazoshaya.
Yeah.
Ale formation there.
Uvuke emaqandeni at
That's
least.
that's my thing. It's fine information. You can do whatever if you have those players.
Yeah, those
Do it.
players. Those players. If
If
you
it
don't
doesn't have
have
those players, ukuthi bangadlala la formation. We saw Cape Verde. There's another team, Dr. Kong, Medlane Portugal. I think nabo badlala 5-3-2. They have the players to do that. And babone
they
no
really
ba
did
attack against Portugal. Beba attack kamfethu.
Ghana.
Neghana. Oh, LSK
Because
LSK wangisendela ama-team bewadlala
I think
Africa.
it's Ghana because Uzlatan there's something they actually would
Yeah, Ghana.
people must watch out. Ghana, even if they don't win the games, but the way they play,
Play.
yeah, that's what
They
he was
have the
highlighting,
players for
yeah,
that,
the depth
right?
and everything.
Yeah.
It's
You have
not
the
a-
strength.
Yeah,
For
You
that.
have the
exactly.
engine for it.
Yeah,
Exactly.
you-
Thina we don't have- umzulu urile mabam-interview thina ukuthi
Brains.
yeah umzulu
That we don't
Ukuthi
have the body.
we don't have the
height.
body, we don't have
Yeah.
the height,
Brains.
but we have the brains.
creativity.
Use
that's
what
us.
you have.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Basically.
Use what you have.
Because mina ukuya ngami mfethu like la ngikhona nge-South Africa despite the games that we play South Africa like inalibona bokgoni bare e ka progressa to like it can make it maybe somewhere because we have
Top
players
eight.
you understand
Okay.
we have players
Oh no,
We have
ngitshela top
players.
8. Ngitshela top 32. See.
we have
Those are the
players,
top
we have
four.
players to
Yeah.
do that.
Mm.
We have players to do that. We have players ukuthi nathi masihleli we don't have layout out ukuthi labo bazosilisa lapho. But because of how izinto zenzakala ngakhona, nathi as fans we don't understand. But we still going with them because we support them. You understand?
Yeah, as we said at the beginning, ukuthi masingafaki South Africa iyovela idonsa.
Yeah, true. Yeah, let's just.
So
What
focus on
about
this,
the
yeah.
group
Group
stages
stages.
as a whole?
France of it yaphela.
Ngoba sipassionate ngemzansi bafethu.
Yeah, man,
Siyawuthanda
you can't help
umzansi.
it.
Yeah.
can't help
Asiboni
it.
ukuthi
Si passionate,
France
man.
yaphela.
Whew.
Ayisha abantu.
Nkosi yami.
Kunqanda abantu.
Aye.
Spain sasislow. Khathaza.
What's the problem?
No.
Ngiyakhuphukela.
Khumbula i-fitness level bathi kumele ibe so
Yeah.
yenza kanjalo.
Yabo.
Siyabona.
Spain sasislow.
EFrance bangayiqanda
Ucando yini?
Same applies to Argentina.
Ucando yini?
Oh yeah.
Oh, ucando
Yeah,
yini?
mara
Oh.
Eh? Ah, intwana yami.
Uzothi
France
nathi
bangayiqanda.
Yini?
Waqanda iFrance.
Yini?
Ngibona ama-loophole
Mfethu,
against Senegal ngabona ngathi
Oh, by the way, bafethu.
La France phela idlala ama half spaces.
Oh.
Angeke uzuyimela.
Ubabonile
Phela
against
ma-
Senegal?
ma- ma-
Babonile.
ma-
African team.
Yeah, 9.
9
9 out of 10
Nine out of
bafethu.
10.
yeah, shout out mara ngaphandle kwalezi ama-Arab
Oil mile.
Must
ngaba
be,
ziqualify hayi ngibifa nazo
Must be.
zarobha
Mina
Sana
Yeah.
chicken emzansi.
yabona mina ngiyabeefa nabo. Yabona
Ama-Arab.
ama-Arab
Yeah.
mina ngiyabeefa.
Zonke lezi
North
zalile.
Africans.
not
Not nje.
Yabona
Yeah,
and
Senegal,
futhi
yes.
ke bona they don't
Yeah.
consider themselves North
As,
Africans. They consider themselves as Southeast Asia.
Oh shit.
They consider themselves
Ah.
as no Southwest
alidlali
Asia.
le-roping game yabo nge-world cup
Yeah.
ngeke balungi da
Baropa nele lokuza nokuthi bavela
Hayi.
Africa.
Yazi barobha
You
nokuthi
can't
ababelong
rob
yawo
them.
mfethu. And
And
the people,
Japan.
the people who populate those countries are not even Africans. So aish mina nginekwali
maka-shout
nabo.
out njengoba usenegal comeback yabo
Eish
Senegal
mfana.
ne-DRC.
That was beautiful.
I'm happy for ukuthi babe zangidlalela
Zadlala.
I feel ngathi ilokuza isenegal inesibhomo.
yeah
Inesibhomo.
anetra
Like inalento leyo ukuthi yazi angithi wacanga ukuthi not sobabonisa.
Yeah.
Asibukele ibhomo.
ene shout out to le nja le Gattuso Masimba
Gennaro.
beyithi you don't have 10 sports ukuthi iAfrica qualify ku-World Cup. You don't need 10 sports.
We
Yeah.
need our
Need
men.
lesser.
We need our men wena.
And now 9 countries in
9
Africa
countries are
qualify.
populating that last
Motherfucker.
32.
Two.
And the African
Yeah.
countries gonna take it. Yeah.
Shaya amadashi.
Sizovuka very soon.
Uzole.
Sibafuna
Yeah,
ngo-3.
sizovuka very soon. Hey,
Counting
ngoba
our chickens before.
sizovuka silibele silele phela. Hey, sesiphupha kakhulu.
Yeah,
man.
but no, yazi mfana mina.
Bafana taking the World Cup.
Yeah, baba.
Sitshela ibari mina noma kwenzakala whatever lokho ukuthi izwenzakala. Mina ngisase happy.
Akabuhlungu.
Mina ngisase happy. Mina
Nami
kunandaba,
happy.
kunandaba.
Nami
Ukuthi
happy.
bayasinqanda ngeke kwenzakala ngokuthi basinqanda I'm still
Mara,
happy.
but then-
mina ngifuna silale nabo ngo-3.
But
Labo gogo bethu.
Abogogo bethu basase-fresh.
Bafuna ngo-3.
abogogo bethu baqeda ukupolisha
Kulisha
amatayera nje. Hey,
Yeah.
baqeda ukulithi nje lisashisa.
Amadashi.
Yeah.
So hey,
eMorocco sadlala eMorocco yadla iNetherlands sidlulile
Sidlulile, last 4.
sidlulile sizobadla ke
Morocco,
la
hayi Morocco yasazi.
But-
No, no,
but-
no,
but-
bafethu.
but we need to
Alabo
focus. We
No.
need to focus on today's game.
Today's game. Pound to pound. Canada ngeke isimatch.
Yeah, but we need to focus. on
Yeah, no mara
irrespective.
if Matala doesn't do the transfer, pound to pound angeke basi.
Matala, do you think Matala should consider using the lineup against Spanish look like a mistake?
No, yazi kuzobe challenge va.
Umkhweni yabo.
Available. And the meaning thing feel ukuthi
But nakhona mina ngamhlalisa ebenchini.
uyaya
It's me.
no but they were complimentana kamnandi kulela game lela.
yeah.
So he
Like they
combination
played
play.
very well. They supported each other. They were there for each other. Okona no Mbogazi, Okona because of the pace, a screen
Yeah.
yonke into it was perfect.
And Mbogazi comes in.
Dawu solid. Mara
Yabona
Mudiba
umndaba sekenza sekubuyela kule nto yami lebe ngimtshela ukuthi urelaxa too much.
Konje ubani?
Yabona manje usipanile
Let's-
lezi game.
Oh, bafethu.
This is South
Ngicela
Korea.
uFoster abuyele endlini. Screen simnandi. Mahopa
abuyele
Maya mama Hopa is doing very well.
Okwakhe, no, like,
abuyele line
no,
up.
abuyele
no,
endlini,
Mama
like.
Hopa is doing very well.
Bamnikeza
Mahopa,
ibhekiti.
Mahopa, okay, even if that guy doesn't
uFoster
Oh,
bamnika
yes,
itikiti
he
lokuya
can.
e-UK nje
he can hold the
aflye
ball.
Avaya.
ayojima lapha
Ngiyamthola.
eRidings.
Bend.
Yeah,
Mahopa,
eBend ayojima.
Yaspana, shaya ispani sisifunayo. Even if angakakori mara uda presence yakhe yakhona uyifila. Isikhathi sokupressa yahold amabhola uyaleya space uyascreator so alayela Foster ngibona ukuthi
Like
usazobuya.
uma Hopa mfana siyakhumbula sayisho sibuyele emuva lento ukuthi uma Hopa enza ukuthi ama defender angarelate.
Yeah.
Yawasebenzisa.
That's
So
what
Manje
that's
we
uLyle
need.
impethu yabona mina uLyle no Reyners ne. uReyners impethu he is clinical given
Yeah.
the chance, right? But as for Mahopa impethu let distraction less ayifuna la, you know why? Because we know
Sinamagundwana
amagundwana lawo thanda ukungena
Lawo.
ama-pocket lawo.
Yes.
Ile nto siyifuna because ma distract ama-defender mfethu we know ukuthi laba benza amagundwana
Kuzovuleka ama-pocket.
bayalanda i-cheese mfethu.
Yeah.
But now if kunama-trap amaningi we can't even invade or maybe shake isidleke mfethu like
Wena ulibele umile laphayana sikushaya nge-through ball umile.
ewa
yazi hleza mina
Umile.
Shout out
And
to
ngathi
uRile for ukuthi anga give up kumaseko ayibaphasi.
athi amaphasi karile mfana azokutholela ithayima lakho
Khumbule ekhaya.
Ukuthi anga give up kuwe.
I think was it that game? I might be mistaken, but yeah, I remember. Kunala umdawo bekafuna ibhola yakhumbula i-first half. Wacela ibhola phambili. Balishaya ngala wakoloza. Nala bamshaya ngenye i-through ball. I think bokurele or something
Urele.
Kwakwamela ligijimelo walidawutha.
urile ngiyakhumbula leyo incident
Nala mfana kunala shaya khona lapho ku-South Korea mfana lela ibhola lakhona belislow ne but bokhona ukubona ukuthi la defender lethukile.
kunala idakwe khona kunale phasi edakwa uMahopa yadawa nama-defender nawo awazi ukuthi ehle balalanda ibhola or bagijimisa uMahopa. That is why ngithi uMahopa nyamncane because of ama-defender mawagijima naye abasazi ukuthi sibheke ibhola
or sivule ispace laphaya.
That's why you need to create space.
abasazi ukuthi sibheke ibhola or sibheka le and le iyasigudluza ilangi iyaheri yenzani yangithola
Yeah.
And busy mfana.
Ubhizi.
Box to
Ubhizi
box.
uMahopa.
Uyakhona ukuyela emuva
Oh,
ye-defender.
my
Kunento le bekhuluma
maka namhlanje ngiyanitshela
Dr. Khumalo athi mfana like i-strike esifana noMahopa esikhathini samanje let's say I think it's PSL ngathi FIFA World Cup PSL azikho bhayi because uMahopa unayo inkinga yokuqala. Thina masibheka i-striker sazi ukuthi sifuna masingathola i-striker like yabona kunama-department i-striker sifuna i-striker esikhona ukuthi sime uwo-target man kube ne-striker esimobile esikhona ukuconnecta from espinini. Uyangithola? So uMahopa can be mobile, can be a target man, he can also defend, and he can also complete those passes,
ngonasisi
even off the ball run. He's good.
yes
Understand?
yes
So moving forward, are there any teams that could have, young Todd, are there any teams that could have had a similar run like South Africa in this World Cup?
Kunama-chance lapha yabo yini lezi yabo Uruguay.
So question mangibuza kanje.
and
Mathi
ngiyayifuna
kunama-chance
uRuguay.
lapha.
Ayamkolota.
Yeah, mathi ama-chance lapha also involving South Africa. So I'm asking the question.
No.
Listen.
Okay.
Is there any team that had the same situation efana ne-South Africa? That's the
Yes,
question.
just like Uruguay.
Yeah.
If Abu Iraq, if we were one of the Abu was Abu Iraq or Abu Uruguay, I feel like South Africa being a total 9
This is
points
number one.
could compete with those guys. If Matala doesn't mess, Ilana Bafun defend unnecessary. I'm told. But pound to pound, I think Amakandra Paya Azukabatega Mohala in South Africa. If Matala doesn't hold back, Fage Yonkin Tesnayo.
Ngokuhamba koma-episode waDisemba kumele ngisho ukuthi thina bekumele basikhawunte ku-top 10 best countries
Kahle kahle.
via football because of ibhola bheka igame lethu ne-South Korea uzwile bathi belithanda vaka phaya eBrazil
Yeah.
bakhuluma ngalo kakhulu eBrazil because of they see ukuthi isitayile esidlalayo
Cishe safana
It's
ne-
similar.
nesitayela
So
And it has
why-
always
why
been
can't-
like that.
Yeah, why can't
Yeah.
you play the way mfana udlala
Udlala
ngakhona? You want to
ngakhona.
change
Sure.
because now I felt like in South Africa mfana, yes, it's good to adapt, right? It's good to
Yeah.
adapt, but now you cannot adapt and lose your own identity.
Mm.
You
can't do
remember
that.
ukuthi ibhola lase-Brazil nearly died because they tried to play that
European football.
Yeah.
Because
It nearly
siyazi
died.
ngabo-Neymar, ngabo-Ronaldinho,
Yes.
ngabo-Ronaldo,
Nazario, yes.
Firmino,
And mfana,
Romario, zonke lezo
Hence
zinto.
ngisho ukuthi
Khafu,
with
hey.
the with the celebrities, njengoba usho
Yeah,
FIFA World
see
Cup.
celebrity
Mfana,
World
like
Cup.
each and every like TikTok, mfana will give you everything. Each and every time when you see someone who's analyzing a game, you feel lento leyo ukuthi South Africa mfana like mfana sinako dog because moba analyze game yase Korea. South Africa position wise we were not there. But in terms of chances created, lentwana lemakhuluma, I think 3 or 4 of them mabakhuluma, they were like in South Africa never underestimate them because they defend in numbers and when they explode as in transitional you will never stop them.
And also bengimamele le commentator le bengimamele ngale game le South Korea iyasho ukuthi siwabukelile ama youngsters mara lori asho amanye ama forward passes youngster
Era kuyeli move
it's high to shamanya ama forward passes and ama chance
Yes,
yazidlalela njengoba Iniesta like uyaskena abamba ibhola likhiphe akabamba ibhola isikhathi eside and like
and
clean
ngisho ne-10 yakhe is just some advanced turning.
ujika ngamajita ayi-3
Yeah, maka-10
Like
siya-advance.
no
No. I think makangena nje mabamnikeza imandate ukuthi sicela usicollectela amanamba ama-player so. Hey, show me your number.
hayi yababonisa
okay bafethu
lepha South Korea lezi uzwa le coach ngiyimamela after game ithi hey bebabukeli bafana baba analyze but they saw the weaker side bathi leli kaMuda ngithi analyze
you know why
Yes,
no
the
you know why
analyze
you know why
ama-
no that's besides the fact umdawu surely ba analyze ngelento le i-weakness it doesn't necessarily mean udlala amasini i-weakness nje lento besikhuluma le ukuthi umdawu is way too relaxed same applies to goalkeeper yethu
makabheka liwe badlala ngakhona babeka iplay fast ngada kuthi ligijime nomndawo ngeligijime nomndawo bengeke ama crosses ngeke angene so beba wrong yazi mina I feel like yazi bayenzi babukela igame le check libonile la goal leliya ingene kanjani ingene kuba ngazuthi ingene eside yakhe vele in a way
ngiyakuthola but it can not only be igame eliyi-1 and sometimes ukuthi ba-analyze maybe nangalama preparation
kumele bangene ngeside likamndini
because mari kunala lama friendly lawa wethu osodlalile nePanama whatsoever ndawo 2 games wonke lama game wethu you almost cost
but ngiyakhumbula leyo incident
angithi sesikhuluma ngeperspective
yeah
ukuthi he was analyzing that thing and he's like ayi sodlala phaya not knowing ukuthi
iPanama mayikora I think correctly baze from that side and ibhola lidliswa uyayi
and he
so uyabona ukuthi le coach ichwanhla kumele abone ukuthi akusile
problem isizwe
naba yilapha bebakule side so yena maybe ubheke ukuthi akule side leli siya kanti bayibheke side leli wrong
okay moving forward
okay
group stages
Sisa-
sidlulile ku-South Africa sokuyabuyela kuwe
sibuyela kule guthi lithi banje
the
ukuthi advance le guthi enithi banje
universe.
ukuthi advance le guthi le man.
ushari birthday nayo wawuso
No.
Wathi Sherry
No,
birthday,
le ispanile le yaguthi ya. Le guthi le isebenzile le i-goat le engibirthday nayo. Yeah.
yenza
Hayi
yasebenza
yaspana le.
yinjani
Hayi no not necessarily. But team yami spanela bafethu. Yabona le team leya they are just doing everything in their power to make sure
Bona
that
they have the players,
breaks all these
but-
records.
kunenye ngipick up okay after
each and every team same applies to Mbappe bayamspanela bamgayizile
Yes.
kuthakho because of bayamthemba.
Yeah.
That's why kuMadrid angakori ba insecure bafuna ukushine bonke.
Bonke, yes.
So-
individual brilliance.
Same applies to England spanela uKane kuthakho
Ukuthakho.
yangithola.
Yeah.
Same applies nale yagote ePortugal nale yagote eArgentina.
so thina South Africa sisipanela abantu
But
thina si South Africa
Thina
siyi-team
yabona ukuthi South
But
Africa
look
inendlela ebhayo
Yabona.
let's move on
but le guthi yePortugal.
Yeah.
If you maybe watch the first match ngesikhathi baze babanjwa.
Yeah.
Yeah. I-Ridings phela la bazidlile. Untanga bekavula umese one clear chance after that bagcina sebamncintsha amabhola.
into lebengisho ukuthi uRila
Ah,
zange
some
give up ku-Marcel.
Yeah, bona bagive upile kuye. He missed one clear
You see?
chance and then after that bavele bese barounda nebhola. Bruno cabanga i-midfield yalapha phela i-stacked bafethu. Akukangeni no Bernardo. uBernardo lo akakangeni.
Bekangenile first game.
Yeah.
bekangenile first game.
Uqala i-match.
Ungene second.
Ungene second half
second half.
uBernardo. Hey.
Arungenile.
Yeah. Kodwa asikakabali no Bernardo la. Da sakhuluma ngoJoao, Vitinha, no Ridings no Bruno. Ebafethu i-stacked midfield yale zinswembu leza out leziya. Ukuthi nje uCristiano ushaya ama runner right
ibhola lingayi kuye.
why lingafiki kuye.
Singokutshele ke i-difference yale goals lena le. Le yazicreate izigore.
Yazilandela.
Le ifuna ukufeedwa, le yazifeeda yona iyozikorela.
Mara bobo, so you telling us ukuthi if untanga njengoba
uyazimakela yena emidfield inahambe ayokora.
Hayi akamaki. Ucreate chance, uyazicreate. Azidle. Bheka lela goal lakhe le-streak le game leya.
la lapha
Uyo utholele la bola lela wal cross waligaya le Alvarez.
continue
Khumbula Alvarez wamiss. Wabuya beka le weze 18 what balelo kwadla nesigudlugudlu wafika yena what
Whoa.
I'm the man of the house. Wahle.
Konje kucleariwe Argentina ne. Leyantona le ayithi apha nebhola walmark
Yeah.
and then wagijima nalo.
Wagijima le side
Yeah.
Alvarez beka ngara iside.
Walvayisa ku-Alvarez.
Walinika
Alvarez
ku-Alvarez.
u-Alvarez washoot.
Yeah, bamvimba.
Bamvimba and then lacholwa konje ubani lentona le.
Kunalenye
Konje
elimtholi.
ubani le number 15 ne.
Mm.
Ine chance yokuthi ishoot. Like clear goal le phela igoli li clear. Yabona uMessi lapha ayithi I think nekumuntu omdala.
Yayibona
Okay.
difference.
Yeah. Bekangazikorela untwana lapha phela if bekuyi Portugal libanje uVitinha lapha bekangazishuthela
awushaya
uVitinha.
bekashaya futhi bekalokhamela nangapha.
Yeah,
But
bekalikhabela
then
lapha.
that is why ngithi
Cristiano
that's
uvula
the World
lapha.
Cup of it.
Umesi.
Calculated. You calculate.
Yeah,
now
it's
the play.
scripted nakhona futhi yey okay ke sikayibuka emare
Hayibu.
mare ngithatha kilibala ngingumela da.
Ibu.
I understand. Mari okay.
Ibu.
each and every World Cup, each and every year, there's like a specific team in a ring by selector or something. How I don't know, right? So about the color, what. I went back and checked. Well, it was accurate, but I don't know how true it is.
So Portugal is doing.
Architect.
No.
Because then I can debate that the color telling them more South Africa win. You understand? So hence I'm saying going back to Ntwene Kuchel, I had something in mind. Now I always read there about Cristiano. Very familiarity. Sometimes it becomes too much to the fans. Ne? But the positive side of it, some other people they live with it or through it. Let's say for an example, the way his goal is so consistent or consistent, if I were to speak, Omunye Muntu, he takes that and idolize it, not idolize, that's a big word, but he takes that and maybe I tell you personify it, I ends with him spinal. So that being said, he might be booed, he might not be delivering the way you expect him to, comparing him to your GOAT, but there's something positive he's also doing. Everyone is something positive.
That's why I think World Cup it's calculated. Maybe now. Yabo, phela angakora ku group stage. Anyone can score there. Yeah. Anyone. And it's so ukuthi ya ukorile sha.
But now moving
on. Knockouts. Mokoreda. Win is the team.
That's where we see
exactly. Maybe naye usijilini kuta.
Sometimes ngiyasaba ukuyimention le goat ngishare birthday nayo because bangayinika ipenalty for ama comments wami phela hey. Bavele bakhophe emlotheni.
Ukorile uzobakorile.
Hey, phela bazovele bamnika ipenalty because bathi bayamthethela ama penalty.
Exactly.
I
think no.
Sky something.
I think as Bamela moments in knockouts. Imagine knockouts.
So you've been reserved.
In a way.
Reservations for what?
This is a tournament.
I understand. But manje mabakufaka lapho
Laba manje yabona
reservations
ngizobuyela emuva
ukuthi qualify. You need to play to your level best, your utmost foot.
Abacalculate babheke nama-injury babheke nani yabo bafuna
Yeah, I understand. But you being yabona yazi ngizobuyela kule nto South Africa.
nami
You go
ngizibuyela
ngithi manje le nto kuba reserve. Bona icisha senzani.
It's key.
So you can't be reserved. This is a huge tournament, bro. That's why you need to show. Okay, so going to Europe, but yes, it's
this one is
when how many teams
bigger than
play?
the country.
With how many teams that play?
40 something.
It was 40.
So my thought was reservations for who?
Hey, asazi dog, but mina ngibonisa riding bengithi ngibonisa yaba sibuyela ku South Africa sesingabuya.
Yeah.
As a reference,
ngaba special sakhona sinanda because fanda siyadlala either way.
Ngithi ubonile uMaseko there's a time where bekumela pass.
Yeah.
Would
There's
them
someone
apply
else.
to ngokumela gayo
But
sethi
no,
or agaya ngazubani.
into engisho
Iphutha sakore.
into engisho ukuthi maybe nabo yiwo ama moments abawafunayo yabo kuma knockouts ukuthi mangilithola la ngiyahle.
But
makabona at least bane technique. uMaseko bekumela pass. Ufuna ukudla
uvule
Phela
wapolisi
ngabe sishaya
kuvule
kahle.
urele ngara
That's been a training.
clean.
Without any
That's
hassle,
been
without
clean.
any hassle. Because
Clean.
mangabheka another way you go approach again ngakhona. We know ukuthi labantu abathanda uku-overload emasayidini because they know they can run, but they forgot ukuthi nathi we have bathini B12, how many horsepowers? 7,000 million, 100,000 horsepower there. Emuva yangithola. You can't compete. When I'm TikTok, mchini nani, but thina sidla ipapa namatayela.
Papa namazi.
Yeah, ithola sisematayereni. So igame yabo uyazi ukuthi bewazi overload emasayidini. Wabaforce ukuthi wenzeni badlale phakathi. And obviously uma bazodlala ama long ball, lapha emuva siya aggressive asidlali. When it comes to long balls,
asinamachwandla
despite indaba height nani, but mfana
lapha kunachwandla
esinethile.
ngibona usanathi uthi uyangena umbokazi wabatshela ukuthi mani ngizomlanda
Yeah, lo zekimo.
lo ngizomlanda
Yeah.
abona ukuthi asinamachwandla lapha emuva maka ya khulula ngimtshela ngePanama ukuthi leziya zadlala leziya bafethu ngizibone ngisquad kadala yadlala maka ngijazi aboPanama sabantu yasithi amachwandla
yabona le World Cup noma surprises amani. Yo, mina yokuqala bokungeteam yami South Africa, but there's so many surprises.
Yeah.
And yet still to come. You'd be surprised. I mean, I so wish ukuthi finally kuba ama-African teams. I so wish.
Two South Africa versus Morocco. But
two Africans.
Lapho
ke.
udlala nabo next game. Babangadla ama-Dutch. Nama-Dutch phela sine-beef nabo.
Morocco
Ethu historical yama-Dutch.
Yeah.
Morocco yile.
Morocco yamanje. Ama-Dutch isuka kude.
Isuka kude 1600s.
Yeah, nabo yeah. So bashaba khuluma Afrikaans ke bazoyikhuluma
so yeah bafethu any entertaining games so far that you've enjoyed
The Portugal ne
yeah
pound to pound.
No.
P2K.
Ecuador.
Yabona manje ama-team ase South America ayababonisa ukuthi Europe
Not Ecuador, man, Colombia.
Colombia.
Yeah, Colombia.
Ama-South Americans bafika from
Hayi mari Colombia bafethu hayi man uyayibona ukuthi Pablo
Bekelela
Escobar ubabhekise something wabathi Pablo Escobar
vela uyazi vele emntanga bhekelela i-AFCON yabo ase South America
kanjeni
AFCON
Copa Libertadores. Copa Libertadores.
Copa America.
Yeah.
Ziyakhala lapha ya
Yeah,
lapha kuyalandwana
abo Chile. Uyakhumbula ukuthi Chile iyashaya Argentina. Yayeka isigouthi yakho ibhola. Wakhala wathi ngiyakwitha mina. Bamncenge ukuthi abuye.
Abuye nje uyabonisa ukuthi no, I'm not a small boy.
No, makusala bamenze ukuthi self introspection ukuthi acabange yabo some reflection ukuthi
no ndona yami angiyazi une condition.
Uyaphuza ngamapilisi.
Maybe angafuna ukunibonisa yabo. Ayabuye nje yami yadala abanye abalala.
Wakokota behind.
Hayi.
ewancenyiwa alandiwe yi-president
So any other teams besides?
entertaining
most-
games
Yeah,
ne
entertaining games.
Mostly mfana ncenyo leyo yama-team ase-Africa yenza ngakho.
Fighting for their position.
Ne-Algeria.
Fighting
Ne-game
for their
le-Algeria.
lele 3-1
Okay.
3-3.
lele 3-3
I mean, honestly, Bafana has been entertaining throughout the
Yeah,
tournament
I
for
same
me.
here.
Yabona, as much as Vele, the first match was just boring. Like Vele ngayibona nje from initially, it was boring the time aleli. Second match ngasho ukuthi uzobuya ne-draw. If anikhumbuli check on episode 33. Yeah, yeah. And then
wathi South Korea izohlaba isihlabeni
Eh?
ngathini ngo
ngithi South Korea, yeah,
Hayi,
ngithi
uthe South Korea ihlaba
bekalele kusho ukuthi akavuka. Hayi bekalele.
ngithi izosihlaba
Ule.
ne?
And besides the one
Matha,
nil,
yeah.
besides the 1-0 there,
But then
yeah,
yeah,
there's kwabo.
yeah, because honestly
Kanti.
speaking, South Africa vele does have the players to do it. Sinale nkinga yale dala le lase Belgium. Elingazi ukuthi because mangibona le match le South Korea, it doesn't look like they were playing according to what that Madala told
Yeah.
them.
Ama-
It doesn't
Into
look
esikhuluma
that way.
ukuthi
Yeah.
mase ama player phakathi ajayele ukuthi okay,
Azange bamamele lo
sombona
Madala
ikhulu.
la. Like kudlalwa ibhola lasemzansi la.
Yeah.
Abekudlalwa ibhola lethu la bafethu.
Kusho Dibs.
Kuvele waba yi-identity yemzansi nje.
And
la.
mara manje
Nakhona.
Maka- abanye abantu bathi-
udala uzofaka abantu
Abanye abantu
Yeah.
bathi bekangekho nje sesawina.
Yeah, like yenza
Players
ukuthi mina
Chaba.
esayidini lami bengeke ngishintshe yonke into. Like lapha bengishiya kanje. Then yena bengizomintroduce second half. Bengizoqhubeka ngalesa scheme
just the
lesa.
player out there fight
But nakhona
uyathi
uyabona
uyayibeka phansi ne
one wabona
uzosala nesinye space
and uyabona futhi mohleli lapha ukuthi eish mangabe ngimfakile.
manje
Mangabe
no
lacala.
ucela mara uzocala uyaya
Awuzocala ngiyaya noTiza.
eish mara uyaya mfana eish
But Umbatha mfethu yazi
yazi
if you've noticed Umbatha ngenzakala ukuthi angadlali isikhathi eside asegame.
Yeah.
But he's good at reading the game. The soon as a party ball, you see ukuthi umuntu bekele
khona
ukuthi
yazi
understand.
into bengifuna ukuthi
Yazi ukuthi
uyaya uyakhona ukuma uTebs uzofuna ukuma so umbatha makaphethe ibhola uyaphusha negame
Hey.
so that uyaya abe nale role yakhe ukuthi ngizozimakela bekungasithwadla kule game
Hey, bekaspa.
ngizozimakela ngishayela ama-back pass wami
bani bengasitshwanda.
uyaya awudlali so manje uma kunotebza noyaya bazofuna ukuma and soba yi-5 laphaya nabombokazi wo
Ngizosibuyisela kule game lokuqala.
ngithola
Yeah.
Hey.
And akusiyo into
Bahlakaniphe
ezi-
nje.
Canada akusiyo team
I think mfana Umbatha mfana
esingayidefend
i-game plan naye mabeza kuyo ukuthi akhiye i-out ebashonele ispan ama-opponent in the middle bheka against i-Sundowns uhlala Q Allen because of your distribute ama-pass
And alende phela makakhiyekile Sundowns ikhandi.
bazothula because of uDaves and kumele stay.
Okay, sinale nto le phela iCanada ngathini I can literally count with my one hand ama-player angangithusa eCanada and that is including Alfonso Davies i-captain yabo. Who else do they have?
Hey, there's some other players that are there to
Others will want to
showcase.
shine.
Yeah, they want to
Their time.
showcase. Now they will surprise you and shock you, bro.
Akusiyo ice hockey le bafethu.
Yeah, as a team, I can't choose some.
Akusiyo
But
ice
they
hockey
take
le
team alone,
bafethu,
you
right?
must be well aware of them.
He
you
won
understand.
Yama host, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Dlale
we must,
kaSlavo.
yeah, we must.
Sidlale
you
kaSlavo.
understand?
No, sidlale eLos Angeles.
So we need to-
Asidlali kaSlavo.
No, asidlale Canada, sidlale LA. Sidlale LA, sidlale
Need to
LA.
win.
Bale kuyafana.
Sidlale SoFi, I think.
Host by him.
Host
Part
by
of the
him.
host nations as well.
mara
Yeah.
mara mina I
But
still
it's the
say
first time ukuthi
pound to
yenze.
pound angeke
Yeah, ngeke basimele but
Angeke mfana. Namnyaka.
and I'm pretty you
Uvele
lost that
kumele aqale
mistake.
ashaye ivala lapha.
Why is it not
Speed
killing
indoda
what kayo
akusiza.
asike kila now?
Yeah.
Nanso killing what kayo kila.
Yeah, into esenza singazi.
Game imfethu akuyabona game mfethu. Pound for pound.
Udlama uqeda ukubona iline-up.
Why-
Kawula.
Why wonke lama team lawa adopted the style less and the young Kenya mina every time angibona lama match lawa the same style less PSG ewini Champions League ngayo last season le kick off and then shy throw in
Babatashaya pressing.
but the Bafana doesn't do that.
Yeah, mfethu come on.
Yeah.
And mfethu mangabheka iSouth Africa ne. Wonke ama players eSouth Africa ama-player okusho ukuthi domestically lokhu
Yeah,
asekhaya
la.
hayi ukuthi
Yeah.
kunentwana yase-South Africa yakhulela e-England yadlala development ngale yaze yabuya
Yeah.
kusho ukuthi ayicashe ukuthi uzosipanda e-South Africa.
Yeah.
It's not like that. So uma ngathi uyabheka yeah it's only okone but nakhona uma uthi uthola ukubheka okone ukhulele la South Africa
Yeah.
by the way. So what I'm trying to show you is the whole product 99.9%
Yeah.
Is in
South Africa.
Zans, yeah.
You understand? No one can claim ukuthi
Sinama-player ayi-5
they
phela
like this
adlala
because
Orkant,
you understand?
Yeah.
badlala Orkant mara baphuma
Mara
ngulala.
Yeah.
mara
I-development yabo beyila.
Yes.
badlala
Yeah,
okanti mara amathimu
mara-
aba-relegate
mara most ecala
Loyal
ne-game
actually.
abantu badlala ku-PSL.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yayizwa lento.
So
That's why sina
So that's why mina
identity
ngithi
yethu.
that's why ngithi ngijabulile.
That's why ngithi
Nandi.
into engincane ama-game exercise yiwo lawo eMzansi because siqala ne-match kahle akunalento yokuthi sesiluze ibhola sesiyopressa.
Yeah,
Awu
Bafethu.
sidlala idibeke manje.
Okay, Bafethu, the total
Ah.
upset. This is no out. Total upset. Any surprises? Korea,
Nah.
of course. People they expect. And you know what's nice about Lente South Africa? Everyone was saying South Africa is the weakest team in
Yeah,
the tournament.
in the World Cup.
You understand? So
ahlane
leyo ngokwayo mina iyangichaza because once intwana abantu bak-override sebakulahlela le
Casting you out.
bakucasta out mabuya ngelokhuzane masha come back izinto ey'fana nalezo it becomes a surprise and baba shocked mo sebacala babatla udula teng ke mo ba bontshang tshwateng ke bona don't ever take us for granted.
And one thing I like about Vele, these African nations, South Africa is good. We've qualified 9, and also Nigeria has kept 3 clean sheets in this tournament. Like they're doing very well.
They are doing very
Hey,
well.
Nigeria,
And they will reach the final.
they will reach the finals.
Mm.
Nigeria is just doing very nicely. 3
Abo
clean
Oga
sheets.
beg. they
Yeah,
will
I
reach the
beg.
final.
South
You see,
Africa.
Jollof
Mm.
Is
is
a
do
weaker
as
team
do
ever
the
played
teams.
in the 2026
You must eat a fufu. You are keep a
Mm.
3 clean sheets.
and a jollof.
Hey, you are eat a jollof. You are eat a fufu. A
Try
That's
that.
why
gusu.
Hey,
You are keep a 3 clean
Nah,
sheets, my
much
brother.
that's in terms of win. But so qualifications they were like, hey, South Africa this. They were none that.
It's
They
about
stayed
that.
out. Sangena, Mexico, we go with Mexico. Yes, Mexico, well,
Mm.
did the deed because of Matala.
Yeah,
I'm not owning to that lose, by the way. Then, check 1-1. But look what, hey, South Africa gonna pick their bags after playing and go back home. What happened?
and the background
Hey, but in South
South
Africa,
Africa.
South Africa, South Africa.
South Africa.
Hey, South Africa.
What happened?
Hey, you must go back home and fight for your job.
and abantu esingababhekanga yini manje.
Hence I said uZlatan lento ekhulumile ethi mangibabheka vele ngabona ukuthi lesibhekong lento lengikhuluma ngayo manje ukuthi basabhekile maybe bafuna uyangithola
Hate
ilento
watching.
lesoyibona ngegama
Hate
Ilento
watching.
lesoyibona.
Yeah,
The
makana
Cote d'Ivoire
wona
is strong.
Cote d'Ivoire yes.
Ah, bafethu.
Cote d'Ivoire is
Strong
always,
Cote
yeah.
d'Ivoire.
And Cote d'Ivoire when it comes to such tournaments they show up.
And yabona ukuthi akraswa ngayo.
Yeah.
When
Lula.
sidlalile sifo.
And
So-
strange enough, one of the best
Lemzansi xa udlala eMzansi uma la
That's
score.
and one of the best teams in Africa now has a very good history in World Cup. The Black Star of Africa, Ghana.
Ghana, that's what I'm
Very
talking
beautiful
about.
history in World Cup now.
Hey, Sanju Suarez wawenza busy ne.
Mm.
Hey, ile crash ile. Athi mina well, I didn't miss the penalty. Me, I scored the penalty.
Yeah,
Akhuluma ngoJiana, I didn't miss the
I
penalty.
didn't miss
Me,
the
I scored
penalty.
the penalty.
Yeah.
Wasamojiyana.
But bamzonda uSuarez eGhana futhi noGhana but Africa.
Yeah, simzondi Suarez. Nasifake emabhifini singawazi.
No,
Ara siyayithanda igama.
0.0001 wena.
Usidlile nathi.
Yeah,
Asidlalanga nawo.
Sadlala nawo.
Sadlala now.
Sidlala follow no shiny.
Shiny
You.
ukuthi ufune
Hey,
ukubona.
usidlile nathi makasina beef idisk.
Nah,
Hey.
izohlala injalo.
Yeah, so i-team yami Spain is gonna go all the way
Idlale nani finally?
South Africa.
So yeah,
Bafana,
but
Bafana.
in terms of formation wise structure, our team are against each other. We know what back then okay, maybe like most teams they played positional football. But man, just like each and every team, they
Counter
counter.
attack.
It's more of counter than just rotating the ball.
But
So
then,
like
hey,
Leo change Leo, is it because of the World Cup or is it because of like
Nah,
the new? Listen, I'm not done with my thing. My
Yeah.
question is it us moving up, moving on with the times, the
no,
growth of soccer or something.
no, tiki-taka will always be there. As well.
Ngicabanga ukuthi kune-balance.
UBarcelona njengoba be-introduce adawuphepha. Bheka i-age ukuthi bezinangakhi zonke. Bezihroti, bekangeke yodlala i-counter ngabo Iniesta. Bazokhathala, bangawini ama-league nani na. So bekumele introduce something
take
ezobona
the
ukuthi
ball,
yazi,
pass the ball.
let's pass the ball, ningakhathali. Singadlala isizini yonke, singadlala 5 seasons so here to yangithola. Bheka ku-Sundowns, group yeda.
No, like I feel,
Seba 30 bonke 30. Ngeke badlala i-counter.
no,
Bangadlala i-counter.
I feel like
Or
you're not
half season
understanding.
bazobe
You're
sebanyile.
not understanding the
Siyabadla
question.
second
You're not understanding the
season.
question. The question is, I understand ukuthi positional football, it has been played and everything, but now most of the teams they playing
Kitlada,
transitional
do you know why
because
now?
of the age.
Do you know? Yeah, do you know why now? So we count. It's because of you are watching
Internet, man.
youngsters. So you can't play tiki-taka and youngsters. But to see them running, they introduce you what Pirates because udlala ngani youngsters. Bega ku Barcelona, that guy, coach Hansi Flick. Counter attack because of udlala ngintwana ezincane. I defend leya. Shame offside trap wire defend. Shame offside trap wire defend. Yeah, because of its youngsters. Angakhona ukugijimisa if player lekho offside.
Yeah.
That's the football now because of you are watching youngsters. You are not watching any i-goat yakho, my guy.
Sorry.
Into engizomgayo.
Sorry.
Usasekuleo level because of he was always a pacey guy, began a pace.
Yeah.
Like he's still
Gijima,
continuing.
and he's still doing that. Ushintwana encane izibhaya player. And it's young disappoint.
So you're saying because of this future generation, a positional football, it won't see the light.
I don't.
Not in this World Cup.
Not yeah.
Not okay. Like let's just speak about soccer in general.
Yeah.
No,
Hayi
I
futhi
saw
yakho
the-
phethe yamachwanhla hroti obvious. Izoba khona tiki-taka ngithola because of you trying to maintain the fitness yalo age futhi
So
nge-
you're
And
saying
futhi into encane ngithi kumele uzikhathaze ingqondo. So you must defend with the ball than defending without the ball.
Yeah.
Always chasing the ball. You
So-
can't always chase the ball.
so defending with the ball, it doesn't necessarily like set you to that mode of you trying at least like to do some combinational pass and moving the ball around.
But actually moving the ball around a few times so that amanye amamadala can position themselves better for you to start an attack.
So you
So-
say okay,
I get we are moving with the ball.
yeah.
Yeah. Whether we are in our own half or in the opposition's half, as long as we have the ball, we are defending better. But than us having to chase these youngsters.
youngsters.
But it's still positional football.
It's positional
Yeah.
football.
So
Yeah.
lizodlala bawabizani konje skin.
Amakroko.
Macro.
Okay, sharp. Okay.
Amachipha.
Ngiyizwa lento le okay. I understand what you're saying regarding indaba zokuthi fitness and everything or maybe aging. It might
Yes.
be kahle kahle effect eyenza ukuthi positional football idlaliwe, right? So my question is with these youngsters, we know ukuthi now they're playing transitional mostly and they can keep the ball. But let's say for an example, a high tempoed game sometimes it needs slowing down
Relax.
rotation out of the football.
Yeah.
And do you think since well it's more of transitional when they faced with that lento level which we need to relax the game and just lower down the tempo of the game, will they succeed or will they pull it through since they're more of a
That's-
transitional?
I hate to say this, mara ivar. Ngayindaba angifuni ukusho kayini.
Yeah, so
That's where experience ingena khona.
yeah.
You need just that 1-2 guys be experience ukuthi hey wo
Astrali nabo
asirelaxile.
labo bantu.
Yeah, bayabona machwanhla.
Bernardo, the
relax.
best player in
Yeah,
Portugal.
inabo labo
Hey,
bantu.
Let's play in Portugal.
Vitina la. Uzozana na
Vitina,
ubena
bro.
Vitina.
Kunevithiza
player
ya.
Portugal.
Hayi.
No,
So,
ne
yabo
France inala
experience.
bantu labo.
Experience ingena la ukuthi let's ngibone neSenegal
Senegal, yeah.
against France.
Yes.
Kunala besuke ilanda le Senegal. Yeah.
no
Asirelaxini. Sebasateka.
Because when we pound to pound,
Qatar.
Qatar.
ACN Cote d'Ivoire inabo labantu
Hayi uCote d'Ivoire vele obvious.
inabo
Baphethe nale I think iCape Town lebedlala iBarcelona. Yiyo lebedlala iBarcelona.
idlalela ngathi Chelsea Michael
Lekase Chelsea.
Chelsea, yeah,
Lekase Chelsea.
Essien.
Michael Essien.
Michael Essien.
yeah he's playing
No, ngisho lebedlala iBarcelona. Idlala la kuCote d'Ivoire. Number 8. Kate.
Yeah.
Unalabo bantu labo ngithola. Bakhona ukuthi class bekadlala
went down, yeah.
So kubafana abafana ayi vele thina uyabona Sundowns idlala lelo bhola lelo.
So igrowth ihamba ne-guidance kahle kahle.
Yeah.
Igrowth
Even though I had to
manje.
say ukuthi we
Cause-
need experience,
cause-
mara we do.
Because
lento lebesikhuluma ngoThemba Zwane
yeah,
ukuthi uda for experience for ithimu
Yeah.
game uzokhona ukucontrol igame
yeah, in this case yakazwani.
Konje
We
bayenze
take
extended.
Uzwani we take Uzwani as one of the
Wow,
experienced
that's
players,
really
right?
ngajabula.
And let it cut like Lily. Well, it was uncalled for.
Yeah.
Ne. So you know how things are. Let's say for an example, Sibonile sonke ne. But then again, kunalabo abanama critics ukuthi we took you as a leader to lead abantwana, but you doing that. What
it's soft
like
No, but
it's
for
soft, but other people they saying Wuti is not setting a good example. Kwabantwana.
but
You can't but every time one put him on social media it's like it's bad.
see it's
Bad
bad
practice.
yabona idisk kuzohlala kuthintwana kuzohlala kuphushana kuzohlala kushawana ngephathi anything izoyenzeka mara amanye
Ama-red
amakhadi
card,
yeah
yeah.
amanye amakhadi
Experience or
aso
not, so yes.
Yeah, but now angithi ngikhulumela kule nto
Yabona njengoba ulangena kuyo le, now we have to get into the topic here officiating.
Yes.
We have to get into the topic
Yeah,
of
but mina
officiating.
ngincanywa lele because of now after incident kaThemba Zwane ngiboneka ku my 4 or 5
Yeah.
yenze. But
Mara
there was no
kunama
red card.
Yeah.
thank you into engisho
Utshele
Exactly.
igrowth yakho nayo.
Hey,
FIFA World Cup.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can't put
Yeah,
this.
There was no red card. And
no card
ngibone
Not
kunale
even a foul.
eyaringa
Yeah.
ikhuluma I think ikhuluma no referee ikhuluma noba nazivala umlomo.
Oh,
Shine
shiny
red card.
yeah
Ne?
konje yini
Yathola
athile
i-card. But ubonile amagaming wani izolo rikuthanga khona ekhulumile ivala umlomo azange ngithola
But
ikhadi.
the thing is, you will never know ukuthi uthola ukuthi lo mjita lo khulumile wakhipha inhlamba.
No, bathi
No,
mawuvala
bathi mawuvala
umlomo
umlomo,
whether you are
it's a
saying
red card.
anything.
Why?
It's a
No,
red
no.
card.
It's like okay,
Okay.
even if you
Okay,
Fana,
but then
let me tell you
Pega,
something. You see with these new rules, bayamosha mfana.
But let me tell you,
This
Ukuthi,
people mostly
but
they
then-
want that.
This is communication.
Mawuvala umlomo talking to your teammate, it's fine. If you're talking to an opponent uvala umlomo, then that is an offense.
Provocation.
Yeah,
But mina
provocation.
ngikhuluma ngezinto ngama incident afanayo bakhuluma no
no
referee.
real
No referee.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, then that's a foul nayo le.
But red card.
Azange bawa-
Yeah.
Yeah.
Red card.
No red card.
Red
Immediate.
card.
Ayidiscussiwe.
But not to, oh God. Okay.
Ayidiscussiwe
Ngiyangithola.
nokudiscussiwe.
So debater.
Yazi kanjani ayini le?
Ngiyayithola
Yabona
for
na
sure.
red card kazwana. Masirenga iVAR. On any day.
asine review
Akuna referee because ukhipha
Card
ikhadi futhi
lapha.
la.
Exactly.
So
bro.
on any day
But
masirenga
anything,
iVAR.
yeah.
But if you pay attention, you see with yeah, this is my agenda. You see with African teams, ubheka khumbula nale red card le yathola umdawu.
Mm.
Lapha mfethu we know ukuthi mawufuna protect it, boy, you need to stretch your hand, but not ebusweni. But lapha it's the momentum of the game. So
Exactly.
ngithi ngiyabeka kwenzakala ukuthi ngokuthi
Ukuthi
then
ufike.
red and like come
Nakho
on, bruh.
yenzekile konje yini ku England. Zakora nokora leziya just because isandla sifike athi uyamshield.
Mm.
Come
Isandla
on,
zathinta.
mfethu.
Mm.
Goal choked off.
Sho ukuthi manje kwamele sidlale
Mm,
kanje
ngibonile.
ibhola manje.
Yeah, goal seli choked off because
The hand.
of the hand.
You see, with this new rules that they're introducing, like sekuzomele sidlale ibhola si-stagnant as ama-player because i-rule masicala ukudlala ibhola thina basitshele ukuthi ma-strike you have to protect the ball ukuthi bangakushaya ama-enkele so
Yeah.
masola
Technology. Data.
sho ukuthi labantu
Science.
bongomele bajime
Cute
bafane
football.
nombokazi
Emnandi lirobhayo.
benekhoshini yeah
Sikhuluma bayirobhile yavele sinirobhile vele emnandi kanjani.
officiating,
Angithola bakurobhwana. No ntanga igoli leColombia la izolo. Come on.
lo mponzi
Bafana.
offside
Come
Offside
on,
yomponzi.
my guy. Ah, mfethu.
TP2
And then-
Sekudlala ingilo Sipho
but-
wona
but
abantu
honest-
perfect.
But honestly speaking, on with the naked eye, I'm not offside.
Ayikho.
You should know writings, no linesman. I think ujaji
Officiating.
writings.
ujajele yokucala
Basasengara.
asasengara and ibholo
Babuwe.
belisadla.
Yeah, but
Abuwe.
bawuqeda ukumnika cross or onside undaba.
Yeah.
Michael, when the ball is played, he's
Sebeyishuka
onside.
coach.
And uyibheke and
And
uyibheke
then uyazi ngithi phela that's
Yeah,
a
sebeyishuka- yeah, I think
3D
you
model, so we can
Sebeyishuka
move
coach.
players around with that
Yeah.
3D
Yeah.
model and then project it.
yeah
Yeah,
true
Yeah,
technology
true.
most
Exactly.
nakhona kufana nokuthi
And bayenzele i-coach yabo.
ngithi vara khona
ukuthi ngabe number 3.
Angani. Angani,
Cishe
leyo ngeke
cool.
ngize ngiphinde. Bekumele laba
Eh.
bekumele abaphushe.
Okay, bafethu.
Portugal bekumele
Sesiyibhala.
iphume.
Sesiyibhala.
Mm.
Namhlanje kudlala amagame engakhi? 31.
For today
Yeah.
cause
Yeah.
time zone ayifani
So-
so 1.
So mina-ke ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi-ke i-score prediction sethu sihamba kanjani?
My brother, we are winning 3-1 this today. We are gonna kill people. Ngifakile karile le story. Yes. We are gonna kill people today and we are gonna go to top 16. We are meeting the ones that we want to meet and kill. One of
Those
them,
teams, yeah.
one of them
Siyamfuna.
must die. One of them,
One must die.
Dutch or Morocco.
Abang-
Romeo must die.
One of them.
Babulalane bodwa sisale namarins aswabulane.
Basically, killing them.
So
Yeah,
you said 3-1.
3-1.
I'm still saying 2-1 now.
I say
Yeah,
me
ngihamba
2-1.
yeah, ngihamba
Oh, yes,
no.
fair.
One
Bafana-
ifake igoli karile bafethu.
I love you,
uzokora
Oh, shoot praise. Yeah.
uzokora kucala
Kanjalo, sesiyibala bafethu. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this. Sida. We're also giving you wings.
Please constantly
always.
share.
Yeah.
Constantly share, subscribe.
Yeah. What
A
the
Red Bull
apricot and
Centella,
strawberry
bafethu.
flavor.
Yeah.
One, two.
Shout out. Huh? Oh, shout out to Taki. Taki. Kimaka.
Tsakani.
Kitaki.
Yeah.
Ah, wena.
Oh,
Ah, you
Tsakani.
can Taki. Me too much.
Oh, the
And
brew.
to you.
Yeah, the brew.
Oh, and the
Come on.
brew.
Yeah,
Hey.
and to the other brew.
It's
And
okay.
Yeah.
Actually,
And Bluetooth.
The hierarchy,
Yeah.
guys.
It's
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah,
Shout out
quality.
to
Shout out
Bluetooth.
siyabonga bafethu inyawo zenu zingasindwa.
Red
Na in
Bull
the future
Centella,
bafethu.
guys. Give us
Bull.
wings.
Yeah. Yabona
Yeah.
kube
Give
ishiwo
us
kube
wings.
i-wings ngapha kube yonke into.
Give
Yeah.
us wings.
Not forgetting Tando, utakire Tando. Hey bafethu.
Mm.
Tato Kiba Foundation. Be on the lookout.
Yeah.
Thank you.